So today we're going to talk about key commands in audio editing. I'll go through them one by one. So our first key command on the list is the cut tool. So for me on Logic, I've set my right click tool, which is up here, to be the scissors tool. I think the right click tool is somewhere over here. You can here, right mouse button is assignable to a tool. I've just selected mine to be the scissor tool. So for example, I come here and I just cut here, and I don't need all of this. I'm going to convert all these audio files into new audio files, so I'm going to delete that because that's just blank space of nothing. Okay, before I do that, I've got to set the drag to no overlap for a second. Okay, and delete. Okay, and there goes that. Now, same thing if I wanted to do that in Ableton. I come here. And Ableton doesn't have a cut tool, at least not that I've seen, but you have a key command, so you can use Command E and it splits a clip. Then you can delete it.